Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's Sunday, October 29th. Right now we're in a flash flood watch right now. It's actually raining. The winds are picking up, gusting around 60 to 55 miles per hour. As you can see, this rain is very talented tonight. Let's see. As you can see, it's acting up pretty bad right now. The rain is not stopping at all right now. The winds won't kick about till about 11 o'clock tonight. It's pretty bad. As you can see, this is where we are right now, in front of my house. Right now, it's pretty dark right now. Oh Lord. Ready to jump in Jehoshaphat. Somebody called the fire department again? Somebody called the fire department again. What's this? 911 rescue? Yeah, guys. So right now the winds are very bad right now. As you can see, my front porch looks very wet in front of everything right now. As you can see, I'm completely soaking wet. Yeah, but this weather should be over by tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah, until then, this is Francisco saying happy weather day.